her she can come to like party after party, party after party, party after party, after party after party, party after party, party after party, party after party, after party after party. Okay, now drink, yo, we go dumb. All about the action, Jean-Claude Van Damme. You think it's over, but I'm not yet.
I don't know original program end again. Learning them most time. Party after party. Party after party. Party after party. After party. Banage singana ali manyo kuimba. Yes, singana ali manyo kuzina mwesinga. But ati za entertainer wacha sinze. Number moja and MRA TV. It's your number one YouTube channel. Oponga tuketa programs. Ezikunyumira. Eziku entertaininga. Ezikunyiza. Ezikolachi. Of course, zino kwa mazibanyiza kuanga. We all belong to different artists over teams over chichisemanye. Nenga chana chachiri. Omweleza wa mnozi. Hadesmaila mbera nyingi. Amweleza wa maweji hadija owa Hadesmaila mba nyingi deo kumpeuza MRA TV. Okuwanga utusako. Erifotde. Owe bade entertainment industry. Deo nyingi denisa yodejachi mwanda wa Hadesmaila. Tena wakolati. Ayaya! Kakati banage nyingi dene party after party. Party after party. Party after party. And that's a big comeback from Big Trail. Big Trail. Yeresa kayimba ko party after party. Eranga kakuba mabala mu clubs mochi. Yonaina jembelanga musanyukira abana bazimayininga babukuba bakuba bu freestyles. Chana chichidi ko chitegera. And so genda rushing igine party after party mani manaje mulezo kuli. Of course weekend abadde bintu bingi bisanisa mubadde mu stories nyingi za entertainment abantu bachakadde banyumidde obulamu they were wine left right abantu balidde sente zaabwe abantu banywedde live a life to remember kubanga muganda wange kyana kyekidi naye ngamba nyingiddeyo kubanga mutusako stories ezibadde ezikoza amawulire mu week oba mu weekend kwa kati mukibadde akatandika ntusa nasenye bingi ko ngambadde mulidde okunda ba yes bibaawo naye ngankomyewo kumpoza MRA TV tandikire wa tubadde ne Belgium tubadde ne DJ Michael tubadde ne Tata Sam vs Gadimba tubadde ne Blackets and White tubadde ne Shots na Lesu tubadde na bingi mbademo ebyabato mbademo ebyabakulu mbademo zina social course ebimanyi okusiga byabana bato the holiday makers hi munagamba kala kati okweta course okay hello hi holiday makers hope you're doing great how is home treating you help the parents out and tusanikirwa waliwo ekyasaze waliwo abakikutte waliwo ekyaganye waliwo ekyalemye waliwo abaziyodde waliwo abafiiridwa but fetusigala tugamba nti tulina mmwe abafunye abatafunye era nemufuna emutafuna still mugenda kudda ku MRA TV tujja batukako tole munange tubaweereze program tubagambe bekyasaze sorry era abakifunyemu oba abakoze obulungi congrats naye ntandikire wa DJ Michael sagasandikana mawulire gannaku I think I should start with Belgium. Yes, Belgium and Namojimanyi ezenga ebairawo emyaka for years now and abaji holding ngabe Swans Avenue. Swans Avenue it's a record label. Mama baye mevenka the Cavalicious Botlicious winning waji. I don't have cover. You don't have to look at me na yenga chena chechiri. Yes, baku ya muziki Belgium yabadewo finally yabadewo. Omanyi baje batalaga around Uganda bagende gulu. Wow, yona Ginger, Lyra, yona every part of Uganda for like what entertainment. Now I'm arrange all of the Ugandan stars. And this same round, Bamalide Mukambala as usual. And the point is here, but our international, of course, most especially the Jamaicans. Bazinga batuletira mubala byeko batuletira ku Taylor Riley, batuletira ku Christopher Martins, bamkomeza mulungi gwokulala, and this time with the baddest image. Hello. Njoga ko image mwana mumanyi. Me and my baby, we have our problems, but we always saw them out. That's the song called. It's called. That's what love is, man. Whatever. About that's what love is about. Naye nga kyonna kyekiri abaana balenzi batukuyo muziki in Uganda and hoping for some Jamaica Ugandan collabos like Nina Rose hopefully ayinza okuba inayo collab ne D Major mujja kwa mubifuna masa tujja kwa tiba tusakera nga mutegeera so njagala nkuwa kyabadde nga kigenda maaso ku Belgium so ritanga agenda kwa bibateera stupid jali mu control room nera nazena stupid that's why I'm blowing kwanga stupid yaliwo yes stupid kati munange kyabadde ku Belgium mwana gwenkobuulira abayimbi abameza na kirekoze twabadde tukuba live nanti everything was going on down there live nebe mwagamba batasobola live I mean Shiba Kalungi yakubye live Shiba yakubye live John Black yakubye live I mean bwa yakubye live nyine engo izo gabo baba nangerera imba bekisibitegeera sibulira koda nenga cyone cyane kigena maso everything was interesting entertaining edutaining kitegera Nina Rose bayimbye Spice Diana there was mad everyone was dripping Ugandan slave queens who are there buli omu mwamulabye bashamike bonna babadde have much about them audience basobola kutuka ku stage kuyimba Lydia Jasmine I have a problem with you sagala kukuba misumari we no concert next year nenga cyona kikidi I think for a woman go mukuba kazi betumanya bakulya maka amalodi tawali songade kuta public ngotamide tawali songade kukosa interviews ngotamide tawali songade kutwala ku stage ngotamide those things are not right ebyo nabi mwade mwekola fine people have fun na yet I think you should be sober for some minutes dalanga oli ku camera oba mu kifo ky'omanyi kiri public abantu bagenda kuba babeerawo bagenda kuba bakula ababyogenda okubanga weekola byonna and Vinka I love the outfit you're a smart girl Shiba you're dripping I love the energetic performances John Black Spice Diana abayimbi babadde bangi just sobola kuba malayo it was for all Ugandan artists buli mwimbi gomanyi nti munene akujja ko DJ Michael buli mwimbi gomanyi nti munene yabaddeyo everything was nice I love the sound buli kimu kyabadde clear emizina wajwa anange za muziki gulinsa mukama kazina naye cyana cyashidi producer ngagenda kwa batera byona byona byabadde ku Belgium abana babaddeyo nga baslay nga byona agenda kwa bitera ohengo bidaba ate munabiddewa if not program endegea producer wange soko bawe bamaloka byade ku Belgium ate no mala mbongere mu mawuli genafunye mu entertainment industry over the weekend
Barack Obama, and it's a big thing. When you think about that, you got to hold the power. Somebody, everybody, jump. Boys, we are black. We are black. We don't think of you, I'm not being. We are black. Yeah. We don't tell us about the shot. Are you ready? Sleepless nights, just with me, joy and pain. Are you ready? All these things, be my baby. Just one day, joy and pain.
Chikwa,
kusina tewe kwasa atamanya kusina tewe kwasa atamanya kusina tewe kwasa atamanya mazina tewe kwasa atamanya kusina tewe kwasa oya atamanya kusina tewe kwasa oya atamanya mazina tewe kwasa watu ndoto kunyumba
You're